Hello, good morning, and welcome to our latest edition of Grammar Lesson Series with Aliyu. So today we're going to be looking at some English words with very dynamic endings, and these endings are in the sense of letter endings. So whenever, if ever, they end in the sound F, it means they are nouns. And those F letters endings will transform to V sounds, and when that happens, it means those sounds are automatically noun verbs. Now let's start with the very first one. The first example we're going to have is the word believe, which ends in the letter sound F, believe. And once believe transforms to ending in VE, that's the VE, now it becomes automatically a verb. So let's take a sentence here. For belief, we have their belief in hard work and perseverance is inspiring. Let me take that sentence again. Their belief in hard work and perseverance is inspiring. Now, like I said, believe now transforms, the ending changes to VE. So the next sentence is going to be for believe. Now, believe will be, they believe that honesty is the best policy. They believe that honesty is the best policy. Now, let's go to the next example. The next example is grief and grieve. Grief noun and grieve verb. For grief, she felt a deep sense of grief after the loss of her teacher. She felt a deep sense of grief after the loss of her teacher. That makes that word grief a noun, as it's in grief. Now you say grieve. He continues to grieve for his late grandmother. The third example, you can have thief, like for thief, and then you have thief. Now thief, you said the thief was caught. The thief was caught. If you like, you can string it in one sentence. You can say the thief was caught thieving. The thief was caught thieving. But if you just have it in the thief was caught, that's for thief now, ending in F. So when you have it in ending in VE, you now say they thieve from the poor. They thieve from the poor. Now for proof and prove, which is going to be our next line of examples, you have the proof is in the painting. The proof is in the painting. And then for prove, which is now a verb, you now say they prove their point. They prove their point. The next example, you say leave and then leave. For leave a noun and leave a verb. So for leaf, you say the leaf fell from the tree. The leaf fell from the tree. Now when it changes to a verb, you now say they leave the room. Present simple, kind of habitual tense. They leave the room. The next example, you have calf and calf. You say, for example, the calf is adorable. The calf is adorable. When it is a verb, it now changes to calf. You say the cows calve during Harmattan. The cows calve during Harmattan. The next example, number 7, you say half and have. Half and have. The first sentence is for half. I ate half of the cake. I ate half of the cake. For the next one, you say they have the benefits due to us. They have, that is, they divided into two, our benefits, so to speak. They have the benefits due to us, you know. The next one, number 8, loaf and loaf. You say the first sentence, the loaf of bread is fresh. The loaf of bread is fresh. The next example for loaf, they loaf the dough. They loaf the dough. That's L-O-A-V-E. You can now see it. They loaf the dough. Number 9, you say knife and knife. For knife ending in F is a noun. For knife is a verb. You say the knife is sharp. And then the next example for the verb, you say they knife the vegetables. They knife, so to speak, you now meaning to say they cut instead of saying they knife. They cut the vegetables, so they knife the vegetables. Next and last example for this series, you say shelf and shelf. The shelf is full. The shelf is full. And they shelve the books. They shelve the books. It's bye bye for now, and thank you.